Hi, my name is Henry Segerman. This is 3-club cascade motion. This was suggested by Colin Wright. So this is a combination of two previous juggling-related 3D prints. This is juggling club motion and 3-ball cascade motion. So juggling club motion is a sort of multiple exposure photograph of the path of a club as it's thrown from one hand to the other, spinning once as it goes. And 3-ball cascade motion is a similar sort of multiple exposure idea, but this is a graph through time of what's happening in a 3-ball cascade. So time goes in this direction, and the hands are represented as these little cylinders in here, and they go around in little circles on the right and the left, and every time they come up the center, they make a throw, and the ball goes over to the other side. And so this is the graph of a juggling pattern, in this case the 3-ball cascade. And this is the same thing for the 3-club cascade. So here's a slow motion video of me juggling 3 clubs. And you can see that in the 3-club pattern, so the hands go around in little circles. Every time they come up the center, they throw a club from one side to the other, and the club spins once as it goes through the air from one hand to the other. And that's exactly what's shown here. So here's the hand is represented as a little sphere here, so it's coming along here and catching the club somewhere around here, and then it brings it underneath. Underneath there's an incoming club coming in over from the left, and it brings it up and then it throws it around here, and then the club spins through the air and is caught over here by the left hand, and then it's on its way back up to be thrown again, and this wraps around as with the 3-ball cascade motion, so that the end of the sculpture is the same as the start. And so here's the start of the next throw. This only has a total of 4 throws, whereas 3-ball cascade had a total of 6, just because it starts getting kind of big and kind of expensive. So one other thing to say about this, so what's happening in the 3-ball cascade motion is that, well, I'm using the time dimension, I'm mapping the time dimension onto this space dimension. And there's a little bit of thickness of the balls and the hands in that direction, but not very much, and so there's overlap between the balls and the hands, but you don't get sort of crashing between different frames of the animation, whereas here you really do. So the clubs take up quite a lot of space in what should be the time dimension, and so you get quite a bit of crashing between clubs and hands in neighboring frames. But still seems to work pretty well as a sculpture. So this is 3-club cascade motion.